What happens to the vagina if you don't have sex for a long time? Does it really stick together like the rumors say? From a neuroregulatory perspective, the pelvic region contains a dense network of sensitive nerves closely connected to the central nervous system. When this area lacks stimulation over a long period, nerve conduction efficiency may undergo subtle adjustments. But this doesn't mean loss of function. It's a normal adaptive response, similar to what happens in other body systems when usage frequency changes. Nervous system, adaptable. Not degenerative. Sensitivity to stimulation may decrease slightly, but the nerve pathways remain intact and can quickly return to normal when activated again. The nervous system is dynamic and resilient. Endocrine system, hormones, materia, balanced hormonal. Environment is essential to maintain vaginal health. Fluctuations in hormone levels, especially estrogen, directly affect the condition of the mucosal tissue, its moisture, elasticity, and protective function. When hormone secretion patterns shift due to age, stress, menopause, etc., the metabolic activity of the tissue adjusts accordingly. Good news. These changes are gradual and reversible if hormone levels return to balance or stimulation resumes. Pelvic muscles. Use it or lose it muscle tone depends on regular contraction and relaxation. Without proper activity, muscle fibers may undergo subtle structural changes, a principle that applies to all muscles in the body. However, the speed and extent of this change varies from person to person, depending on individual health and lifestyle. Blood circulation, flexible and smart. The vascular system in the pelvic area automatically adjusts blood flow based on usage during long periods of inactivity. Capillaries may narrow slightly, but still provide essential nutrients and waste clearance. Importantly, this microcirculation system is plastic. It can quickly adapt again when activity resumes. Integrated adaptation, subtle, gradual, and reversible all. These physiological responses form a complex but highly coordinated system, where the nervous, endocrine, muscular, and circulatory systems work together to maintain baseline functionality. These changes happen slowly and vary across individuals. The body demonstrates astonishing self-regulation, ensuring that vaginal function can be maintained even during an activity. Please remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to watch the latest videos. Goodbye and see you in the next video.